a trial close is? So when you're going around, you want to get a couple of yeses from them before, bless you, you want to get a couple of yeses from them before you get back to your room or before you get back to the office. So you ask them different questions. You ask them questions like, well, do you see your child in the classroom? Do you feel that this will be a great place for you? And then as they're saying yes and yes, when you bring them back, first and foremost, always get the deposit, even if it's $50. Because in the back of their mind, they know that $50 of their money, what are your deposits, just to hold the spot? 50, 20, okay, right. How would you like to know you put a deposit down and there's $50 of your money floating around somewhere, you're about to walk away from it? That little thing right there will have you make a decision. Because sales dictates that when they walk out without signing something, 80% of the people don't come back. Now, when you're actually touring the person, you get them back into your room, into your office, you want to see if they agree with what you're saying. So as you're having a conversation, what you do is you do some sort of hand gestures. As you're talking, maybe you sit like this. As you're talking to them, maybe you do this or you do that. You turn and pull your hair back. If within 30 seconds they mimic you, they're on board and you're good. If they all of a sudden sit back, arms crossed, legs crossed, everything like that, you got to take the conversation a different direction. And you have to figure out a way how to have it benefit them. Does that make sense? Okay? These are sales techniques that work really well because it's the same exact way that when I train teachers, I train them, look, you want your kids to do what you want them to do, you got to learn their learning style. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.